Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 16a and I will solve some problems of this exercise. At first, I will take question number 1. Question number 1 of this exercise. ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A equal to 110 degree. Find the measure of each of the angles BCD. Suppose ABCD is a parallelogram. A, B, C and D, and angle A equal to given 110 degree. 110 degree. Then you have to find angle B, angle C and angle D. How can you solve it? We know opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Angle A equal to angle C is equal to 110 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. And angle A equal to angle B equal to 180 degree. कैसे? AD is parallel to BC. AD BC के parallel है और sum of interior angles between two parallel lines is always 180 degree. ऐसे सपोज करिए टू पैरेलल लाइंस हैं तो अगर इनके इंटीरियर एंगल का सम निकालेंगे तो ये 180 डिग्री होगा. तो AD is parallel to BC, therefore angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree and angle A equal to given 110 degree plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle B equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, it is equal to 70 degree. And angle B equal to angle D equal to 70 degree. Opposite angles are equal. ये opposite angle है इसलिए दोनों एंगल आपस में equal होंगे. This is question number 1. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. The sum of two opposite angles of a parallelogram is 130 degree. Find the measure of each its angles. The sum of two opposite angles of a parallelogram ABCD the sum of two opposite angles of parallelogram is 130 degree. Let ABCD is a parallelogram in which A plus C, sum of opposite angles, sum of two opposite angles, sum of two opposite angles equal to 130 degree. And we know angle A plus angle C equal to 130 degree. But angle A equal to angle C. Therefore, twice angle A equal to 130 degree. Or angle A equal to 130 degree plus 130 degree upon 2 is equal to 65 degree. Or angle A equal to angle C equal to 165 degree. ये हम यहाँ C की जगह पर भी A लिख देंगे, मीन्स इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं एंगल A प्लस एंगल A इक्वल टू 130 डिग्री. Therefore twice A equal to 130 degree. R angle A equal to angle C equal to 65 degree, means A भी 65 degree और A भी 65 degree. But angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, and angle A equal to 65 degree plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Therefore B equal to 180 minus 65 degree, and it is equal to 150 degree. Thus, therefore, angle B equal to angle D equal to 150 degree. Angle B equal to angle D, opposite angles are equal. So B, एंगल B और एंगल D ये 150 डिग्री के होंगे और एंगल A एंड एंगल C 65 डिग्री के होंगे. Now, question number 8. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a rectangle, and if BM and DN are perpendiculars from B and D on AC, prove that triangle BMC is perpendicular congruent to DNA. Is it true? BM equal to DN? Draw rectangle at first. ABCD is a rectangle. Join AC. BM. And DN. Then we have to prove that triangle DNA is congruent to triangle BMC. In triangle, question number 8. In triangle DAN, and triangle BCM, BCM. DA equal to BC. DA equal to BC. Opposite sides of a rectangle, as it is this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Given. And angle BCM, and in this angle DAN, angle DAN is equal to angle BCM. अल्टरनेट एंगल्स, ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल होगा एंड DN इक्वल टू एंगल DNA इक्वल टू एंगल DNA इज इक्वल टू एंगल BMC 90 degree. Therefore, triangle DAN is congruent triangle BCM. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल congruent हो गए by AAS, angle side. Therefore, which implies that DN equal to BM, DN equal to BM, CPCT. In this exercise, 14 questions are given, and you may solve other questions. Question number 10. Now question number 10. Question number 10. The length of the diagonals of a rhombus are 16 cm and 12 cm respectively. Find the length of each of its sides. Let ABCD is a rhombus in which AC and BD are given. AC and BD are given. O, and this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. AC equal to 16 centimeter and BD equal to 12 centimeter. R OA equal to OC equal to 8 centimeter and OB equal to OD equal to 6 centimeter. And the diagonal of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. हम लोग जानते हैं कि जो डायगोनल होते हैं rhombus के वो 90 डिग्री पे एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. So it will be 8 centimeter and this will be 6 centimeter. So in triangle OAB, AB square is equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. Then OM is 8 square plus 6 square, and it is equal to 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. Therefore, AB equal to under root 100 equal to 10 centimeter, and AB equal to BC equal to, all sides are equal, therefore AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to 10 centimeter. दिस इज योर आंसर। रोम्बस के सभी साइड इक्वल होते हैं, इसलिए सभी साइड होंगे 10 सेंटीमीटर होंगे, और बाकी क्वेश्चन आप लोग सॉल्व कर लेंगे, और इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू मे आस्क मी। थैंक यू।